Welcome to Info Media Updates. So today we try to discuss about topologies. Topology means it is a network architecture. We have different types of topologies: bus topology, ring topology, star topology, mesh topology, and hybrid topology. These topologies we are using to establish a proper network. Suppose we have different types of networks like local area network, metropolitan area network, and wide area network. To establish these type of networks, we need a proper network structure. So to establish these structure, we need to use topologies. Suppose today we try to discuss about bus topology. Bus means, in bus topology, bus means it is act like a mediator to transfer data from one place to another place. So the ISP, Internet Service Provider, so those ISP will give one cable to us. So we are simply inserting that cable into one system or router. And suppose if we have several systems, laptops and printers, scanners in our home or office. So to establish cable-based connection to all devices, we need to use one switch. So we are simply inserting the cable in router, which is provided by ISP, and after that from router to switch and switch to all devices, we are establishing a proper network. We are distributing the network through the switch. So this is simply cable based bus topology. Okay. The drawbacks of the bus topology is, if the bus means the cable fails, then the total network get failed in the bus topology. In this diagram you are seeing that the first cable is called bus. If the bus fails, then the total network get collapsed in the bus topology. The first system, if the first system fails, then the total network get collapsed in the bus topology. The first system we are calling as a server system. If the server system fails, then the total network get collapsed in the bus topology. Otherwise, if the cable fails, then the total network get collapsed in the bus topology. So mostly we using this bus topology to establish a proper network in our home or a small office or small other network areas. This bus topology we can also call it as passive topology. Passive, PASSIVE, passive topology. Why we are giving priority to this type of topology in our home means, within a less cost we can establish this type of network. That's why we are giving priority to these bus topologies. Suppose the ring topology also there, but it is very less cost while compared with the bus topology, but there are more drawbacks while compared with the bus topology. That's why we are giving priority to bus topology only. So simply this is about bus topology. Advantage is, we can establish this type of network within a less cost. Drawback is, so it is providing very less security, because if the bus or cable fails, then the total network get collapsed in the bus topology. If the server system fails, then the total network get collapsed in the bus topology. So these are the drawbacks. So this is about bus topology. Thank you.